Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit for address proof. An affidavit is a sworn statement of facts, made voluntarily and confirmed by oath or affirmation. It serves as a crucial legal document to formally declare your residential address when other proofs are unavailable or insufficient. This process ensures your address is officially recognized for various administrative and legal purposes, providing a reliable and verifiable record of your current residence. To create your affidavit, you will need to include your full legal name, current address, and the duration you have resided there. It is essential to clearly state the reason why this affidavit is being used as proof. You should also attach supporting documents, such as a copy of your identity proof and any existing, albeit insufficient, address documents. Ensure all details are accurate and consistent across all submitted papers. Drafting the affidavit can be done using a standard template or by consulting a legal professional to ensure accuracy and compliance. Once drafted, the document must be printed on non-judicial stamp paper, often of a value like 20 or 50 rupees, depending on local regulations. The most critical step is notarization, where a notary public verifies your identity and witnesses your signature, officially attesting to the truthfulness of your statements. After notarization, the affidavit is legally binding and ready for use. Make sure to keep several original copies, as many institutions require them. This document is widely accepted for various purposes, including opening bank accounts, applying for government services, or updating records with utility providers. It provides a robust and legally recognized alternative when conventional address proofs are not readily available, simplifying many administrative tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.